Hey everyone! If you're trying to ditch cable in 2025, you've probably heard about YouTube TV and Fubo. Both cost around 80-something bucks a month, both promise tons of channels, so what's the actual difference? Today we're breaking down which one deserves your money. And hey, if this helps you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Quick rundown. YouTube TV is Google's streaming service with 100 plus channels, unlimited DVR, and a super clean interface. It's basically cable reimagined for 2025. Fubo, on the other hand, started as a sports-first platform and now has 200 plus channels with heavy focus on live sports and regional coverage. Both let you cancel anytime, no contracts, no BS. Pricing. Let's talk money. YouTube TV costs $82.99 per month for its base plan, while Fubo's Pro plan runs $84.99 monthly, pretty much a tie. But here's the catch with Fubo. If you want regional sports networks in your area, add another $12 to $16 per month. YouTube TV includes what it includes, no surprise fees. Channels. Channel count isn't everything, but it matters. YouTube TV has 100 plus channels, covering all the major networks like ESPN, CNN, NBC, Fox, and ABC. Fubo offers 200 plus channels with its Pro plan, nearly double. But quantity doesn't always mean quality. Fubo lost major channels like CNN, HGTV, Food Network, TBS, and TNT in a carriage dispute. So if you're into those networks, YouTube TV wins by default. EIINIB. This is where things get interesting. Fubo dominates regional sports networks, think FanDuel Sports Network, NBC Sports, RSNs, and local coverage for NBA, MLB, and NHL teams. If you're a diehard local sports fan, Fubo is your best bet. However, YouTube TV has dropped most regional sports networks, but it does carry NFL Network, NBA TV, and Turner networks like TNT channels Fubo doesn't have anymore, DVR, and features. Both services offer unlimited cloud DVR, but there's a difference. YouTube TV keeps your recordings for 9 months, while Fubo stores them for 1,000 hours, but they never expire. YouTube TV has this killer feature called Multiview. You can watch up to 4 streams simultaneously, perfect for sports Sundays. Fubo has Multiview too, but it's limited to certain devices like Apple TV. User experience. YouTube TV's interface is clean, fast, and works seamlessly across all devices. It's Google, so it just works. Fubo's app is solid, but can feel cluttered with all those extra channels and sports add-ons. If you want simplicity, YouTube TV is smoother. So, bottom line, choose YouTube TV if you want simplicity, mainstream channels, and that sweet unlimited DVR with no hidden fees. It's reliable, user-friendly, and great for general cord cutters. Go with Fubo if you're a sports fanatic who needs local team coverage through regional sports networks and doesn't mind paying extra for it. You'll get way more channels, but you'll sacrifice some major entertainment networks. Personally, for most people, YouTube TV is the safer bet, but if you bleed your team's colors and need every local game, Fubo has your back. That's it. Drop a comment below. Are you Team YouTube TV or Team Fubo? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next tech breakdown. Links to both services are in the description. Catch you in the next one.